Hello everyone, you are on Mukrit Ben's channel. Today our video will be about how to connect Bluetooth and Android Auto or CarPlay in Hyundai Bayon vehicles. First, how do we access the menu? We open the setup settings. From here, device connection, Bluetooth connections. You can select or delete the desired device from here. Let's delete all of these. We deleted them all. Now to add our phone, we select Add New. Here you choose which features you want to use, like hands-free phone calls and music streaming.
Bluetooth.
We turn on our phone. As soon as we turn on our phone, as straight as ever, it directly sees Hyundai Motor in the Bluetooth settings and the pairing code appears here. If it matches, we confirm. And it was approved. It asks you, do you want to use Android Auto? If you say yes, it connects with Android Auto later. Let's show it like this. Let's say yes.
Yes.
It connected as Android Auto, or let's show it in a different way. We disconnected again. We return to settings, device connection, cancel connection. When your vehicle enters the phone, it automatically connects even if it's not connected, or if the Wi-Fi is not on, just so you know.
Now we are deleting this. We delete it.
Now there is an easier method. If you have a cable with data transfer capability, not just from here, this only charges. After plugging it in here, if you directly connect your cable to your phone, it will automatically connect your Android Auto to your phone. You don't need to do anything extra. Yes, it is now directly connected automatically and saved the connection settings. We are unplugging our cable. And the connection continues. Once it is connected, you no longer need to use the cable and you can complete your connection this way. Hyundai Bayon Bluetooth connection, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay connections are done this way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.